So one of my favorite things is getting together with these ladies. They're called the Sweet Petunias. It's a gardening club. Hi, Jeannie. It's a gardening club that we started at my mom's retirement apartment. And they all made these beautiful pots with a plant called a Flaming Katie. And I have to say, every pot has the personality of the lady that goes with it. They're awesome. Let's see your personalities there, lady. There we go. All these beautiful personalities. And everybody said to me, but I'm not an artist. Well, looking at this, I disagree. So, so everybody had a good time, and one of my favorite things is getting together with some beautiful ladies and having a great afternoon. And now every time we look at these plants, we'll think of each other and think of this day.
Very nice.
Very nice.